Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Make sure Bluetooth is paired or a USB cable is connected, and enable USB debugging if using wired mode. Install a compatible audio forwarding app on your Android and the matching server on your PC, then run the server and grant any firewall permissions. Once done, note the PC's local IP or the USB interface shown by the server. You will use that to link the phone app. This gets you into the actual streaming step fast. Now you connect and fine-tune. On the PC server, choose the audio source, system audio, specific app output, or microphone, and start the stream. Then on your Android app, enter the PC's IP or pick the active USB/Bluetooth link and tap Connect. Make sure you select the correct playback device on the phone app and adjust bitrate and latency. Lower latency for video calls, higher bitrate for music quality. Once paired, play test audio and confirm level and channel mapping. Finish by confirming everything works smoothly. Play different tracks and videos to validate sync and volume. Set your phone volume high and use the PC app for final level adjustments. If you need minimal delay, switch to USB. If you prefer wireless freedom, use Bluetooth. If audio doesn't appear, restart the PC server and the phone app, confirm firewall rules and USB debugging, and re-enter the PC IP. If latency or dropout persists, lower bitrate or move closer to the PC's Bluetooth antenna.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.